Hi everyone, it's Roman from Acceleration. Today I'm going to show you an AI agent on n8n which directly extracts information from your receipts and integrates this on a database, so actually on a Google Sheet, but it can be in any database. You can personalize like you want this automation. This automation is totally free on our website acceleration.com. If you have any question, you can send us a message in the comments of this video, and feel free to subscribe and like this video also if you like this type of content. So this automation, here you can see our AI agent. So if I launch this automation, you can see that I have a Gemini node which extracts the receipts data. Actually, it's a Gemini node, but you can use OpenAI, or you can also use Anthropic. And we have a folder where we have to do. So here's the receipt, and normally it's creating automatically row on our Google Sheet. So you can see. So normally when the automation is finished, now I have nothing in to do, everything in done, and I have actually my row. So with all the information from my receipts automatically on my Google Sheet. So how does this automation work? So I integrate a schedule trigger. So this automation is launching automatically all the days at midnight. After that, we are list the different receipts on our automation. We select return all to get all the receipts from our folder to do. Here you can actually personalize with your folder ID. After that, we loop if we have multiple items, so we loop batch size one by one. After we download the receipt, so we download the binary data. Here we have our Gemini AI agent, where we say we want to extract the information from this receipt, structure the data like that. So when you download the automation on our website, you will have this prompt for free also. And we select by binary file and data here, because we have the name of our binary file is data just before. After that, we parse the data to format the data for our Google Sheet, and we create a row on our Google Sheet. After that, we just have to move the receipt from our drive to do to another drive done, and the automation is finished, and after it will loop the number of receipts there on our folder. This automation is totally free on our website. You can find the link on the description of this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask us in the comments on our website. And if you like, subscribe and like this video. Have a good day.